All right, welcome to the show. Today in the show, I'm going to do an unboxing of some new batteries I just got. I'm going to use these with the Sony ZV-1 camera, and we got some bubble wrap. Here is our charging base for the batteries. It holds up to 3, and this is what the connector will look like on the back. Comes with a cable, just like this, USB cable. And I'm going to go ahead and open up one of the boxes for the batteries. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to let you know that I'm really happy with these batteries. They have lasted just as long as some of the Sony batteries. So this is what it looks like here. And yeah, they do the job. They work really well. If I can just keep that in my hand there. Yeah, very happy. Comes with 3 of them and the charging base. What more can you ask for? Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show there. Have a good day. Bye-bye.